Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a wise Zen master named Akira. His presence was like a gentle breeze that stirred the hearts of all who crossed his path. Akira was known for his simplicity, his captivating stories, and his ability to inspire people to find meaning and purpose in their lives. The villagers often gathered under the ancient oak tree to listen to Akira's tales. One day, as the sun painted the sky with shades of gold and crimson, they asked him about the secret to living a fulfilling life. Akira smiled warmly and began his tale. In a land not far from here, there was a grand race. This race, my dear friends, was no ordinary contest. It was the race called life. People from all corners of the world participated, each carrying their dreams, hopes, and aspirations as they embarked on this journey. The path was neither straight nor predictable, much like the twists and turns we encounter in our own lives. He continued. As the race commenced, some sprinted ahead, chasing after riches and fame. They were driven by a thirst for success, but in their haste, they missed the beauty of the scenery around them. Others walked at a leisurely pace, savoring every moment and forming deep connections with fellow travelers. Akira's eyes twinkled as he spoke. Then there were those who stopped along the way, helping fallen companions, mending broken dreams, and planting seeds of kindness. These souls understood that the true race was not against each other, but against their own doubts and fears. Amid the rapt audience, a young man named Hiroshi raised his hand and asked, "Master Akira, what is the prize at the end of this race?" Akira chuckled softly. "Ah, Hiroshi, that's the intriguing part. The prize is not a tangible treasure, not gold or silver. It's a heart filled with contentment, a soul enriched by experiences, and a mind awakened to the wonders of existence. It's the realization that the journey itself is the greatest reward." As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the gathering, Akira continued. "But there's a challenge in this race, much like the obstacles we face in life. Storms will test your resilience, steep climbs will challenge your determination, and dark tunnels will question your faith. It's easy to get lost in the race, to be blinded by desires and illusions." He paused, his gaze sweeping over the faces illuminated by the twilight. "To navigate this race called life, my dear friends, you must cultivate mindfulness. Just as a sailor relies on the stars to guide a ship through turbulent waters, you must find the stars within you, your values, your passions, and your inner wisdom. Let your actions be guided by love, compassion, and a desire to leave the world a better place than you found it." The village was enveloped in a thoughtful silence as Akira's words sank in. Each person, young and old, felt a renewed sense of purpose and determination stirring within them. Days turned into weeks, and the village thrived with a newfound energy. People began to view their daily tasks as opportunities for growth, their interactions as chances to spread positivity, and their challenges as stepping stones towards self-discovery. Hiroshi, the young man who had asked the question, started helping the elderly and mentoring the youth, finding his own joy in contributing to the community. One evening, as the villagers gathered once again beneath the ancient oak tree, Hiroshi shared his own story of transformation. "I once thought the race of life was about competition and winning," he began. "But thanks to the wisdom of Master Akira, I now see that it's about unity and learning. Every person, every moment, every experience is a thread woven into the fabric of this beautiful journey." The fire crackled, casting dancing shadows on the faces of the listeners. Akira, sitting among them, nodded in appreciation. His heart swelled with pride, knowing that his teachings had ignited a spark of understanding in their hearts. As the night grew darker, the stars emerged in the vast sky, twinkling like beacons of hope. Akira raised his hand, gesturing toward the heavens. "Just as those stars guide us through the darkness, so too can the light within you guide you through the challenges of life. Remember, my dear friends, you are not alone on this journey. Together, we create a tapestry of experiences, emotions, and connections that make life truly worth living. And so, under the canopy of stars, the village embraced the wisdom of the Zen master, transforming the race called life into a journey of shared growth, love, and purpose. They learned that the path to fulfillment was not a race to be won, but a race to be savored, celebrated, and embraced with open hearts. And as the years rolled on, the village continued to thrive, a living testament to the power of unity, mindfulness, and the inspiring wisdom of Akira.